Hey, my name is Sharma, and here I like to tell you about my research that I have done on internet. That is cloud computing that is used in banking sector. First of all, what is cloud services? That is a services and a solution that is offered and delivered uh, in a real time over internet is called cloud services, and these services can be used for business purposes, and business loans can comes under the category of these services. And as we know that business loans can take by the entrepreneurs for the new developments and for the new projects as well. Secondly, the insurances are also given by offered by the banks to their clients if the mishappenings conducts at a place that the claims can take from the banks as well. And thirdly, the savings account that is for the best future to save the amount for the future developments. That is a best part of the banks that can save amount for the future developments and for the future purposes. And second part of my assignment is that ICT workload types, and that firstly I would like to tell you about the batch workload types, that is a credit cards and checks. And credit cards, as we know, that we can use at any time at any place by swiping or inserting a card. And secondly, the checks, and checks can be used also by using a large or a small amount at any time or at any place as well. Secondly, the transactional workloads has the ATMs or online services scheme that can be offered by a bank. And the ATMs, that is automatic teller machine, tells you the all the data on a screen by the demand of the customers or clients. And secondly, the analytical workload types, that is a removal of a corruption by the advances of new models and using a new models. And third part of my assignment is that the benefits of cloud computing, and that is cost saving, that is can saves a lot of cost because all the mainframes that is used for the banks are more cost effective, and by using a cloud that it saves a lot of cost as well. And the continuity of business as well by storing authentication information, and by reducing a level of corruption. And third part, by using a mainframes by using a banks, and that is a green IT. It saves energy by consuming a low energy, and that is energy saving. And the last part of my assignment is bank uses a mainframes, and by using services are much secure, reliable. During the reliability and availability, the services are much secure. That's why the banks use these mainframes. And the last part of my assignment is that ICT workload types, that using a mainframes to secure the data and they reduce the data corruption as well. And that's why the ICT workloads that use these mainframes to reduce or to cope with these difficulties. Thank you so much.